Want to turn your space into a lush tropical paradise without the hard work? Today, I'm going to show you how to grow tropical plants easily at home. Get ready to bring a slice of the rainforest right to your living room. First up, let's talk about the stunning Monstera deliciosa. Also known as the Swiss cheese plant, this beauty thrives in bright, indirect light. Just water it once a week and make sure the soil stays slightly moist. And don't forget to mist the leaves occasionally to mimic that humid jungle atmosphere. In a few months, you'll have those iconic split leaves to boast about. Next, we have the ever-popular snake plant, or Sansevieria. This one's a breeze to care for. It can tolerate low light, so even if your apartment is a bit dim, it'll still thrive. Water it sparingly. These guys are drought tolerant, so once every couple of weeks is just fine. Plus, it's a great air purifier, making your home healthier too. Now, let's not forget about the vibrant pothos. This trailing plant is perfect for beginners. It loves medium to low light and prefers its soil to dry out completely between waterings. If you're forgetful with watering, the pothos will forgive you. It's incredibly resilient, and those heart-shaped leaves, they'll add a touch of tropical charm to any space. Moving on to the bird of paradise. This plant will give your home that dramatic tropical look. It loves bright indirect light, so place it near a sunny window. Keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. With the right care, you might even see it bloom with striking orange flowers. Lastly, let's talk about the peace lily. Not only is it beautiful, but it's also great for purifying the air. It thrives in low to medium light conditions and just needs a drink when its soil feels dry to the touch. Bonus! It'll let you know it needs water by drooping its leaves, but don't worry, it perks right up after a good soak. And there you have it, 5 easy-to-grow tropical plants that will transform your home into a green oasis. Remember, the key is to mimic their natural environment as closely as possible. Bright, indirect light, regular watering, and a bit of humidity will go a long way, so go ahead and bring a piece of the tropics into your home. Happy planting. Create your own tropical oasis today. Vibrant, low maintenance, and stress-free.